Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Machine Learning Mr. Famous Amarly, and that's a Homage second version. Actually, that's a age machine. Age is a age machine. It's a age machine. It's a age door. And guys, here is a age. So we gotta put in then is a age. These are ribbons, and these are very complicated. Maybe should be, I think, is developed to increase improvement from qualities, from sheet qualities and I hope if you like it my channel. And that's a cutter. My previous video I show him. So that's a blade, is a blade. And guys, Homage, it's a very good machine. Is a manufacturing in Italy. And that's a Chort. That's Chort. Chort is making to stick on him. And guys, that's machine systems. And I hope you enjoy my channel. And that's a very complicated. Is a Chort. Chort is a liquid and increase to its techniques, like all piece kind of them. I show him some piece. So there's a piece, that's like. And if you enjoy my channel, so thank you, Mr. Famous Amarly. And that's model number ES300. And that's a road edge voting panel. So if you enjoy my channel, Mr. Famous Amarly, thank you so much.